this video, I will introduce you about the importance of IoT platforms in general and the Centilo IoT in particular. I hope you will enjoy it. The Barcelona Council has a vast experience in deploying IoT applications for several uses, such as noise pollution, sustainable energy, or cleaning and waste management. We realized of the increasing need to merge all of these applications over a common platform, so we created Centilo with that purpose. Now Centilo is used in more than 30 cities as an open source project available to anyone. As you can imagine, a single IoT sensor is not useful to perform any application in a city. In most scenarios, we need hundreds of them properly connected to one another and linked to platforms. In our case, we suggest a single platform like Centilo. So, a platform is an infrastructure where all data coming from IoT devices converge and supports IoT application on top of it. An IoT device collects data and sends it across the network to a platform that aggregates data for future use by the application. The key components on an IoT ecosystem are devices, networks, platforms, and application. We will explore them in other parts of the course. Let's talk about Centilo for a while. I will show you an example of the level of noise measured by IoT devices in our city. As you can see, Centilo collects every 10 minutes measurements from hundreds of devices along Barcelona and provides historical information from the last months. With this information, we can build a map of noise of the city, identify potential sources of noise, and act when the noise is over some specific threshold. Our platform is distributed with a set of components, as you can see in the image, that includes a series of features to achieve those capabilities. A high performance, allowing to manage and process thousands of messages in a very fast response time. It is modular and extensible with an architecture that enlarges the platform functionalities, preserving the same core systems. Centilo is scalable, which allows to easily distribute the load among peers. Moreover, it is fully transversal, designed as a cross-product, not focused on a specific business requirement. As we said before, Centilo becomes an open source initiative, open to continuous improvement and contribution, creating an ecosystem around it. Centilo defines an API based on a simple REST interface, easy to use and intuitive to interact with other IoT systems. Includes a simple viewer that provides a public demo that can be used as a basis to build your own visualizations on top of it. The basic statistics module of Centilo allows to record and display the core platform performance indicators. The catalog and administration console facilitates the management of the devices installed on the street and its users like third parties. Last but not least, the sponsorship of Barcelona City Council and the participation of a lot of companies guarantees the solidity of the product and its future to become one of the most used IoT platforms in cities. To summarize, the benefits that Centilo provides are: first, to move away from ICT's vertical solutions organized in silos and reduce dependency on specific technologies, solutions, or providers. Second, to avoid isolated compartments where the applications cannot access data from other applications and minimizing duplicity and multiplicity of data and infrastructures. And third, Centilo lowers investment and maintenance cost, a key benefit for the city's administration. As a summary, in this video we have seen the role played by platforms as key components of the IoT ecosystems, and the case of Centilo as a city-oriented platform from sensoring and IoT devices. Thanks, and keep in touch.